What's up guys, Creative Eyes here. Now going to have the full review and the specification of the new Xiaomi's Redmi 4. And let's have our specifications. This is a box here. A 4 is written at the top slightly. You can see that. Redmi 4 MI. Redmi 4 MI. Let's have its specification. It's a variant of 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. It's made in India. It is available in 3 other variants of 2GB RAM, 16GB internal, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal, and a 3GB RAM, 32GB internal. I specify this one because it's a great product in this range. And little more specifications are available here. In the box, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 435 octa-core processor, 13MP camera and a PDF, 5MP front camera with Beautify, 4100 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery, fingerprint sensor, support ultra-thin metal body. Let's cut the seal of this. Let us skip all the settings for the first time and start that. And here our device is ready. Here you can see we have a pattern here and a fingerprint which I have set it up. You can see it's too fast. Here you can see it's a 3GB RAM. .7 GB of 3GB available. And here the air blaster which can be used by the MI remote option here. Let's see its camera. Almost okay, or it can be very good here. Now let's have some internal specifications. As I have already spoke about the GPU here. Now let's have some other specification. It has a 13MP camera with 5 elements lens with f2.2 aperture, EDF, high dynamic range, HDR panorama, and it has a full HD display which is awesome for seeing movies, playing games, etc. It will not lag also because of the 3GB RAM. And it has a full HD display of 5 inches display and a resolution of 1280 into 720 and a 239 ppi pixel density. It works on Marshmallow, that is 6.0. Here you can see that it's Marshmallow. And it is based on the MIUI 8 version and I have a CPU of octa-core processor 1.4 GHz. Here it's 3GB RAM, internal memory 23.87 GB available of 32GB. It has some other specifications. It has dual SIM and a hybrid SIM slot. Let's check it out in the box contents here. What other things are given in the box? The user manual guide as always. It has some guide of languages and the product might be. An adapter which Xiaomi specifies 5V 2A. You can see here. A normal charger, not a fast charging port, with a USB and a SIM ejecting tool. Let's have it. it's a hybrid SIM slot, which means that it can have one SIM, one memory card, or two SIMs at the same time. In this part of the body, it's only there. Now other specification I will be giving on my next review of this product after using a week. I think you might like the video. Please subscribe and like this video for supporting me, and have a nice day.